When you miss coffee and flour, you will surely come and thank me later. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, these two ingredients, coffee and flour, when mixed together, will make you achieve a younger looking skin. Like your skin will get tighter and vibrant. So this will also help to glow your skin, polish your skin, helping to take away so many skin disorders. So you have to continue watching because this will help you greatly. So without wasting time, okay, you have to get flour, all-purpose flour. You can get baking flour. You can use rice powder. If you don't have baking flour, you can as well make use of oat powder. So baking flour or any other flour will help so well to tighten your skin. It helps to lift the saggy skin. Like if you have a tired looking skin, it will help to lift and get rid of sagginess. It will also help to exfoliate your skin, to remove dead skin cells and make you look younger. Your skin will get brighter, your skin will glow, your skin will look so well, clear and beautiful. So you have to get flour. Another ingredient you have to get is coffee. Just like the title, coffee and flour. So coffee contains powerful antioxidant that when you apply it on your skin will look the best. Like if you desire to hydrate your skin, to make your skin look supple like that of a teenager, this will help you greatly. It helps to fight free radical damage that makes you age faster. Like if you want to achieve this younger looking skin, 20 years younger looking skin, this coffee will get you that skin. Like try it and see it for yourself. So another thing that coffee does is to polish the skin, removing cellulite, stretch marks. Like if you apply it all over your body and scrubbing it with the help of your hands, it will help to get rid of dead skin cells and make you look so clear and beautiful. So this will help, with consistent use, you will not have stretch marks, cellulite. If you have cream reaction on your skin, like as a result of a bleached skin, okay, this will help to return your skin back to normal, unifying your complexion and making sure your skin is glowing naturally. Another one you should get is egg white. So this is raw egg. You need the egg white, that clear liquid part of the egg, okay, the slimy, transparent liquid, that is the egg white. That egg white is actually very tightening. It helps to tighten the skin. It helps to get rid of wrinkles, fine lines, any other aging signs. It will help to get rid of it and make sure your skin is looking the best. But the egg yolk, we're not using it anyway, but it helps to moisturize the skin. It helps to glow the skin. So you can combine the two together if you want. But I have an oily skin, so I usually use only the egg white. But this remedy is majorly to get rid of wrinkles and get you a younger skin. If you have severe dry skin, you can add the egg yolk, okay? So another ingredient you should add in here is this sunflower oil. So this is the fourth ingredient. Sunflower oil is very important for all skin type. This will not clog your skin. If you have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, you can make use of sunflower oil. So this will help to not only moisturize your skin, it will as well help to protect your skin from aging. It penetrates into the skin, nourish your skin, getting rid of so many skin disorders like pimples, acne. Your skin will look very glowing and beautiful. So get sunflower oil. If you do not have sunflower oil, you can make use of argan oil, almond oil. Okay, but I love sunflower a lot because I have an oily skin and it has been helping so well to keep my skin looking the best without that greasy look. So get sunflower oil. So it's time to show you how to mix these ingredients together to achieve this wonderful look. In a clean bowl, you have to mix all the ingredients together. So make sure the bowl is very clean, so that you will not contaminate the ingredient, because this is something you have to apply on your skin for treatment. You don't want any contamination. So get a clear bowl. The first ingredient you have to measure in here is the flour, baking flour. 1 tablespoon of your baking flour, add it in here. Remember, if you do not have baking flour, you can make use of rice powder, you can make use of oat powder, which is very good for skin. Okay, so the next one to add in here is coffee. Add in 1 tablespoon of your coffee, your early morning coffee tea. Like that type is actually what you need. So whether you have decaffeinated or ordinary one, just use anyone and it will give you the same results. So add 1 tablespoon of coffee into the bowl. Then you have to break your egg open. Separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. Be careful not to get the yellow part of the egg, which is the egg yolk, into the bowl. Remember what I said, you can actually mix 2 of them together, okay, if you have a dry. So add in your egg white into the bowl, then mix them together until you see how it is. So mix them together before adding your oil. Get your sunflower oil, add half tablespoon of sunflower oil, okay. So when you are done, mix them together. If your remedy is very watery, add in flour, okay. Increase the quantity of your flour to thicken it a little. You need to form a thick paste. So if your remedy is very thick, go ahead and add water or rose water. Mix them together until it's very smooth and the way it should be. So it's time to show you how to apply it on your skin. Wash your skin, remove all makeups and this. Then you have to apply this treatment all over your skin. Like if you want to apply only on your body, if you want to apply only on your face, depending on where you want it, you can as well apply it only on your eye area, like under your eyes. Coffee will also help to get rid of puffy eyes, get rid of eye wrinkles, and making sure your skin is looking the best, beautiful, okay. So apply it all over your skin to achieve that beautiful younger skin. When you are done applying it, just leave it on for 15-20 minutes so that this treatment will be able to penetrate and work better. So after 15-20 minutes, you wash it off and you are all good. Apply a very light moisturizer so that your skin will not be dried out. So this is a perfect way to treat your skin to look younger all the time. Even if you don't have wrinkles, you surely need this treatment because it makes you, to delay those signs of aging. You'll be looking every day young. If you have wrinkles already, be applying it, and with consistency, your wrinkles will diminish. You'll be looking far younger all the time. So one thing you notice aside from getting rid of wrinkles is that your skin will look very soft, very smooth. Your skin will glow beautifully and naturally. So repeat this treatment 3 times weekly for best results. Store the remain in the refrigerator to use it next time and you never regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.